Ever run a business and wished for a payment system that's as smooth as butter? Imagine your customers tapping a button and bam! Payments done. No credit card hassles, no endless forms. That's the magic of Vipps, a popular mobile payment app in Norway. But how do you, as a business owner, harness this magic? How do you integrate Vipps into your website or app? Worry not, entrepreneur extraordinaire. This video is your one-stop guide to conquering Vipps integration. Understanding Vipps. Before we dive into the technicalities, let's get familiar with Vipps. It's a mobile payment app used by millions in Norway. Think of it like your virtual wallet, secure, convenient, and lets you pay for things with just a few taps. Integrating Vipps into your business opens doors to a whole new customer base. It's fast, secure, and incredibly user-friendly. Plus, it eliminates the need for customers to fumble with cards or remember complex passwords. Choosing your integration method. Alright, so you're sold on Vipps. Now comes the fun part, integrating it. But hold on, there's not just one way to go about it. The approach depends on your technical comfort level and the platform you're using. Here are the two main options. 1. Direct integration. This is for the tech-savvy folks. You'll be working directly with Vipps' API, Application Programming Interface, to build a custom integration. It offers the most control, but requires coding expertise. 2. Partner integration. Don't have a team of programmers at your beck and call? No worries. Many payment service providers, PSPs, offer pre-built Vipps integrations. This is a fantastic option for businesses of all sizes. Exploring direct integration. Let's delve a bit deeper into direct integration. Here's what you'll need. A Vipps Express account. This is a special account for businesses to accept payments. Sign up on the Vipps website. API credentials. Once you have your account, you'll get access to API keys and other credentials needed for coding. Development skills. This is where things get technical. You'll need to write code to connect your system with Vipps' API. This involves sending payment requests, receiving confirmation, and handling potential errors. There are plenty of resources available online to help you with the coding process. Vipps itself offers documentation and tutorials. But remember, this approach is recommended for developers comfortable working with APIs. Partner integration, the simpler route. If coding isn't your cup of tea, then partner integration is the way to go. Here's how it works. Choose a payment service provider, PSP. Look for a PSP that offers Vipps integration as part of their service. Popular options include Stripe, WorldPay, and Bambora. Sign up with the PSP, follow their instructions to set up your account and enable Vipps integration. Configure your settings. The PSP will provide a user-friendly interface to configure your Vipps settings. This might include things like specifying payment amounts, descriptions, and callback URLs. Partner integration is generally faster and easier than the direct approach. Plus, PSPs often offer additional features like fraud prevention and reporting tools, making the payment flow seamless. Now, let's talk about the actual payment flow. Here's a simplified breakdown. Customer chooses Vipps. At checkout, your customer selects Vipps as their payment method. Redirection to Vipps app. Your system redirects the customer to the Vipps app on their phone. Payment confirmation. The customer approves the payment within the Vipps app. Payment received. Once confirmed, Vipps sends a notification to your system, and the payment is complete. This entire process happens in a matter of seconds, offering a smooth and secure payment experience for your customers. Testing and going live. Before unleashing Vipps on your customers, thorough testing is crucial. Simulate transactions using the Vipps test environment to ensure everything works flawlessly. Once confident, it's time to go live. By integrating Vipps, you're unlocking a world of convenient and secure payments for your Norwegian customers. With a little planning and effort, you can transform your checkout process and watch your sales soar.